Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coordination. Most people know that's day of, but they actually month of because you can never really plan any event in a month. Um, in a day. It's always mine, but people know it commonly new as Day of Coronation. We do custom services where we cater to our couples' needs because no two couples are alike. Some couples may want a full package, some may want small, some couple might want to take a little bit for everything and add in custom made it to theirs. So we do offer that as well. I started my business many years ago. I have over 10 plus years of experience in the wedding industry. I am a master certified wedding planner and a florist. I am also a certified design, fundamental design. So what that means is that I know every part of a wedding, every part that go into your event, from the color scheme to the color palette to lighting. So everything from start to a finish, I master everything that I can because in this business, if you are doing something, you have to know every details. Yes, a wedding planner does not really necessarily require a degree. That's something your skills and knowledge can help you. But I went a step farther because I believe everything you do, you should be the best at everything you can. To what is more, what you like to kind of get your business to where it is that it's going. I'm sorry, I keep scratching my eyes because it's allergy season and my eyes is like going haywire right now. Um, but today I just want to talk about being yourself and staying true to who you are. Honesty mostly. Um, it gets you a long way. And this is to my bride, this is to my vendors, this is to my customers, this is to anybody. This is just a life lesson in general. Take it from me. When you are planning a wedding, whether you're a planner or you are entertainer, or whether you are the bride or the groom or the celebrant, one thing you need to know is that when you are approaching a vendor, honesty is important. We can see, people in general can see through your lies. If you deal with people more on a daily basis, if that's what your life entails of, excuse me one second, I have to let me take care of this eye. I'll be right back, guys. And I'm back. As I was saying, honesty is very important. And when you deal with people on a daily basis, you can tell somebody's lying to you. When you tell somebody just trying to come up with some kind of scheme to tell you anything that they can tell you. So honesty is the key. As a wedding planner, sometimes there's anything your vendor can do for you if you're just honest. If we feel that you're just trying to come up or trying to come up with anything that you can come up with just to get a lower price or just to get something else or to get some service, we can see through that. Sometimes honest, if you are just open and honest about something, sometimes people are willing to help. But you have to know that you are genuine. You can't One of the things people need to understand is that being a wedding planner or any event actually planner or vendors, there's a lot of time and work. We master our craft. Any professional planner, I'm not just talking about somebody who just book up one morning and say, oh, I'm a planner. I'm talking about any professional planner who does this for a living, where this is the income base, the job, the livelihood. They put a lot of time into the craft to make it who they are. So sometimes it's not that when you come up with a price, it's not that we're just trying to, oh, the person's just trying to scam me out of price. The amount of work and labor that go into stuff, there's not enough money that can pay you for the labor that we do. Now you might say, well, it's a job. Yes, it is our job. But this is something we're doing that we are love and we are passionate about. But with that being said, sometimes you are just honest and being open. If there's something a vendor can do, they will be willing to do. They might even go an extra mile to help you out or do certain things to you if you are just completely honest. But when we feel that you are just coming up with your stories, nobody's going to help you because we know what you're trying to do. And also in life in general, even to my vendors and my planners, that sometimes be honest about everything you do. If a client cannot see that and not accept your honesty and they want something else, stay true to who you are. Because in the end, you will know that you did the best that you have done. You know that there's nothing different that you would have changed about it. Whether they're happy, you will not be able to please everybody. And that's the honest truth. You can do your best work. There will be somebody who will find some kind of flaw about it. And that's what in life. There's some people who just will go out of the way just to complain about every little thing. But do the best that you can. Don't try to get over on people, because that can get you nowhere, but right back where you started. As they said, commerce is not good. Because if you try to cheat somebody or try to lie your way into certain things just to get certain things, what's for you is for you. Nobody can take anything away from you. Sometimes I know when other clients and vendors trying to scope me out of my services and call and try to I know that. But to be honest with you, if a vendor call me, another wedding planner call me and just say, hey, and generally just come up front, there's some information I would give them with them even having to go out of the way to try to pretend to be something else. Because I know. You know a client who's really want a service, and you know a vendor who's just returned to business. That's why I'm an open book. I put my prices on the site. I'm not hiding anything. You can go on my website and look at all my prices. The reason why I do that is for two things. One, I want you to look at my price and be able to tell yourself, can I afford this or cannot? Because what that does for me is that it kind of scope you out. If you're not able to pay for my services that I provide, you can just go to another planner that's going to give it to you for a cheaper price. I don't have to sit on the phone and talk to you for hours or talk to you for something if when in the end that you cannot afford my price. And I also don't want to waste your time and waste my time. I'm not charging anything extra. I'm charging the national average that every planner is supposed to charge. Not everybody's entitled to charge what they feel their work is worth. That is understandable because everybody are different. My packages range from lower to higher. But besides getting off the topic is that the road is to always be who you are. Stay true to who you are. Be honest. Honesty can get you a long way. Do not promise somebody something or do not tell somebody something just because you're trying to get a sale or just because you want somebody to do something for you. Because in the end, you cannot keep a lie. Eventually, that lie would come out. That's the saying goes, anything that's done in the dark come to light. You will lie about something, eventually you will get caught up in that lie and you will not be able to take yourself out of it. So always be honest, no matter what the situation is. Be honest. If you don't take anything from this, just know that nobody can steal your clients away. Nobody can take something away from you that's yours. And for example, there's Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Burger King. Everybody have the customer. Some people like McDonald's, some people like Burger King, some people like Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is closed on Sunday, but people still go to them. So that just tells you what for you is for you. Those who love Chick-fil-A will wait till Monday to have it. They didn't say, oh, because McDonald's and Burger King open on Sunday, so well, I should break their values to please a client. They set a standard, and that's the standard they're going to follow. If the client wants that service, they will have to wait on the term that they do. So stay true to who you are and be who you are, and you will go a long way. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. My name is Linda Gundo. I am a Master Certified Wedding Planner. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. You can sign up for my 30-minute consultation where you can talk to me about your upcoming event and my services. You can look on my website to look at my work, and you can also sign up for our DIY classes where I teach couple how to plan the wedding from start to finish. And even if you're a business person and you just want to learn the idea and tricks or tools, how to plan a video, don't hesitate. Register for the class. Thank you so much, and you have an amazing day. Good night.